Hi guys, assalamualaikum. Actually, na-receive ko yung isa pang order ko. So, ngayon, isi-share ko sa inyo. Ano to? Another order again. Unboxing again. This one. Pasensya na kayo sa background ko. Nandito kasi ako sa kwarto. Sa aking kwarto. So, isi-share ko sa inyo ano to. Pero kalam kanina, ng hapon, na-receive kala ko, ito yung marireceive ko. Hindi pala, na-surprise ako. Na-receive ko kaninang hapon. Ang nakalagay doon, wala daw stock. Wala, siguro to ano yun, yung leggings. Mamaya, iklasin natin yun guys. Ito ganito yung hintay ko kasi tumbler. Kasi yung tumbler ko guys, nasira. I mean, nung nilagyan ko ng mainit na tubig, bigla siyang pumutok. Pumutok siya guys. Dati ko naman ginagawa yun. Oh wow! Ito yung watch. Hello, wow. Look na, look na. Polo brand! Wow! Masyado yung bibigyan ko. Oh my god. Ito pala yung isang in order. Sinot ko na yung isa. Ito, sinot ko na. Taba-taba. Ang taba-taba. Ang mukha. Wow. Ano kaya ito? Nakita mo na lahat natin ito. Polo brand. Guys, look. Polo. This time. Oh my god. Ang bigat. Yung fairness, mabigat original. Big na. Miss Baby. Ano color to? Ano color to? What color this? Oh my god. See like, guys, see. See here guys. Look, look, look. So nice. Wow. See guys, oh cute. Ipagbibigyan ako nito. Swerte nun. Meron pa siyang original. Isa. Balik natin sa bag natin. Balik natin. Then, another one. Ito yung pambabae. Pambabae ito isa. Actually, nakaready na ako eh. Papasok na ako niyan eh. Gabi. Kaya bago ko mag-duty, ipa-vlog ko muna tanan. Wow, color white. See? Oh my god! Polo again. See, look guys. See, look. So very beautiful guys. Wow. Parang gusto ko na suotin. Lover yung niya dito guys. Lover siya. Magaan siya. I want to try this. Try ko lang. Try ko ha. Wow, maganda siya guys. Try ko sa kamay ko. I'll try this. Wait lang. Try ko to. Ganyan natin. Bismillah. Wala, ayaw pumasok. Ayaw pumasok guys. Yung bismillah. Wow. See? Bagay. So nice. So nice. Very nice. Tapos, yan na. Sinot ko na. Yung isa naman, unboxing natin ito. Ito yung ito yung leggings na in-order ko. Kasi, yung camera ko, bakit ganyan? Nag-blur siya. Kasi dyan na kayo guys. Ito yung yung ba yan? Pang exercise. Set na siya guys. See? Yan. Leggings pang exercise. Nag-exercise ako. Before I sleeping, I need to do exercise. And because, ang taba-taba ko na guys. Oh my god, may camera eyes. Bakit ganyan? Yan. Wait lang guys. Excited ako makita. Ay, my god. Ay, ganito pala siya. Oh my god, ito. Ganito pala itsura. Excited ako pa doon. I'm so excited to wearing this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look guys. Excited akong suotin. Then doing exercise. Feel ko niyan. Oh my goodness. So very nice. Ay, ganyan siya. It's okay. It's okay. Ganyan ang itsura niya guys. I have 30 minutes left before 8 o'clock. Because my duty time is at 8 o'clock in the evening. I have two leggings Actually, this one guys is only 19 real. This is items is from Turkey. And the quality is good. Yeah, very good. Maybe third time or yeah, third time I order this online. Wow, look guys, so nice. It's very nice. See, it's, quality is good. Cotton, 100% cotton guys. It's very nice. I'm excited to wearing this during exercise. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. The same, this one, same, but another color, army color. So, hindi ko na siya ipakita. This is my tumbler. Oh my god, my tumbler. Because my tumbler is how to open it? Oh my god. Buti meron ako nakareading na knife. Excited to use it now. Because mahilig ako magkape guys. Mahilig ako magkape. That's why I open this. So nice, very nice. But look like guys, see. So nice. Wow. Look. So beautiful guys. Wow. Original to. See. So hindi talaga agad-agad lalamig ang kape mo dito. So very nice. Perfect. I'm a lover coffee lover. I'm wrong. Coffee lover pala. So I'm coffee lover, so I need this. I need this guys. Oh, mashallah, mashallah. So nice, very good. So maybe today I'm wearing this. Okay, may tumatawag. Thanks guys.